Hey guys, so I'm checking out this smart padlock that I received for ring purposes, and I think that it's really nice because you can use it on many different applications, making it a really versatile padlock that uses your fingertip. Okay, you can see it's quite small. You have this really nice flexible chain. And here's where you want to press your finger, and it will read the fingertip and access. And in here we have a USB Type-C charging port that is the one that uses. Okay. We get obviously included the USB Type-A to Type-C charging cable and the user manual with the application that we need to download so we can use the padlock. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is just install it really quick so I can configure it and test it out. Okay, let's go. With the application we can set up to 20 different fingertips, all identified with its name, and you can have all your fingertips, or if you want some people to have other access to these padlocks, you can register them upon. Okay, and you just have to follow the instructions on how to pair your fingertip, and once that it's ready we can unlock the padlock, lock it once again. We can also see through the history record if anyone has unlocked it with the fingertip, if it's being unlocked with the mobile account, or if the account has been shared. We can also set all the authorization management features, and in any case that we want, we can change the name of the padlock, which I think that it's really convenient. And once that we have it already set it up and placed where we are gonna use it, in this case I locked up first my fridge, you can just use it with the finger that you place upon the application. Okay, in this case I place my thumb, okay, and as you can see it opened. Okay, now I can use it once again wherever I need it, but I cannot use my other thumb. Okay, as you can see, I think that it's really nice. We can place in different doors from our kitchen. In any case that there's something that you don't want anyone to reach, just set it up and you can leave it like that. Or if you want to chain up your bicycle, you can do it. So overall, I think that it's a really nice padlock that you can use on many different situations, making it really versatile. It's really nice. The chain, it feels of an amazing quality, and the construction of the main unit, it's quite good, making it a really nice option for using it whenever you need it. And overall, I really like it, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.